It's good.
Hello, I'm Tommaso from Sentek, and we are in a vineyard with our partner in Bulgaria, which is Hortismart. We have the pleasure to be here to install our probes. Hortismart, as you know, is focused on the irrigation or irrigation systems and everything that is connected with agriculture. And we have installed a 60 centimeters probe. It is in this case a Triscan probe, which can measure not only moisture and temperature but also salinity. And we have installed this probe in a vineyard in the central part of Bulgaria, and this probe is connected through cable to a data transmission unit which is called IoT. The probe, as I told you, can measure the three parameters. It's a multi-level probe, so it can measure these three parameters every 10 centimeters. The first sensor is installed at 5, the second at 15, and so on up to the end. And so thanks to the probe you can understand, you can check where the plant is absorbing water, so you can understand where there are active roots. And according to that you can bring the irrigation water to the depth you desire, according to what you see on Irimax Live, which is our web software. So thanks to the probe you can answer two questions: when to irrigate and how much water you need to supply. Thanks to the probe we can reach the correct depth. So thanks to this we avoid bringing water down through the soil profile, we save water, we save nutrients, and we avoid poisoning the groundwater. So this is one of the main advantages of our Sentek probes. We didn't mention the fact that the probe is not cylindrical, it has a tapered shape. So this allows a good contact between the probe and the soil and an easy removal. This is one of our solutions, but we can also provide our clients with other solutions like the Bluetooth probe. The Bluetooth probe is like the one we can see there, but the way it uploads the data to our software is different. So it samples the moisture, the temperature and the salinity. It stores the samples inside its memory, and the user can go to the field with their smartphone to download and upload the data. Our probes are available in different lengths, so we have 30, 60, 90 and 120 centimeters types. Actually we have recently released a 10 centimeters probe, so the application for our Sentek probes can be wide. You can find our probes in vineyards, in different type of orchards, and even the installation for different irrigation systems. So in this case we can see a drip line for drip irrigation, but they can be installed even when there are machine guns or pivot. So you can find them applied in different situations, in different climates, soils and crops.